Hi, thanks for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. And I wanted to share this quick video with anyone out there thinking about doing this business. We are expanding into our brand new 8,000 square foot facility. This will allow us to expand our product line and continue to provide the best value to help you start your business, developing the most efficient EcoWash system out there in the market today. Outside of the most superior product we could put on a chassis, our upfits, the EcoWash systems, the additional value that we offer in our Kickstarter package, the best value I can offer you is the know-how. We've been a company now in this business just a little over 4 years now. We've gone out and procured our own municipalities, worked with cities, worked with solid waste companies and contract business. EWI offers a true value in helping you understand how to go out and scale. Our goal is to create more leadership throughout the country to help this service become normal throughout the solid waste industry. And remember, this is your own brand, your own business to grow. We are not a franchise. You are the boss with the support of EWI. If you would like to learn more, please visit ecowashindustries.com or give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. Once again, I really do appreciate your time. My name is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.